Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. Let's get started on this video. As you can see from the title of the video, I will be doing a skincare. This is my nightly routine. Okay, so as you can see, I have a little bit of makeup, oily on the T-zone. You see what I'm saying? I get oily. So my skincare for the nighttime, I make sure whether it's oily or not, I make sure I got my moisturizer, my eye cream, and everything on. We'll show you step by step how I do it. Okay, obviously first I take off my glasses and look at my glasses. They're filled with makeup residue and oiliness. So I clean those at the very end, and now I'm blind. Okay, so what I do is I get a cotton pad like this. I get these at like Target or Walgreens or CVS. And then I get my micellar water from La Roche-Posay. This is the one I be using, and I'm almost halfway. I'm already halfway with this thing. And I love this thing because it says cleansing, makeup, removing, and soothing. And yes, it does. So what I do is I put it on the cotton pad like this. And I just start removing my makeup gently and softly. I will show you at the end how my makeup wipes are left over. Look at this. Crazy, huh? And I can barely see the mirror here because I'm so blind. Look. Yeah, I know. I'm taking it off. So I do it gently around the eye area. I don't wipe my eye with this one. So I just take it off. Okay, now I'm going to flip the pad. Look how dirty. Look how much makeup came off. I just wipe it. And this is my basic makeup. Like if I'm going to go out for like groceries or something, or some errands and things with the baby. This is what I usually do. Just a basic makeup, mascara, foundation, a little bit of eyeshadow sometimes, blush, of course. I love my blush, and my brows. So my face is going to start getting red because I'm wiping a lot. That's why I'm not wiping too hard. Oh, I already have my skeleton earrings. It kind of felt like fall today. It was kind of breezy, a little bit colder, and it felt good. I'm like, man, bring it on. And I heard this pumpkin spice is already out on the menus. I'm like, okay. I feel like it's early for that, but whatever. I don't know. That's just me. And there it is. And there it is. And I'm going to do one more for the face. I'm going to put some more micellar water on the pad and go back in. If I have lipstick or anything, of course, I'll run it through my lips, but I didn't wear anything other than lip gloss, like a clear gloss or lip oil. I love lip oils. I love lip glosses. Okay, so it's less and less. And make sure I get the edges too, like this. Okay, as you can see, I just need my mascara to come off. And this is how the pads look, the makeup pads. And I just put them on top of a I can't talk, paper towel. And I just set it aside because at the end I will throw everything away. Okay, so now I get a cotton ball like this. I kind of spread it out a little bit. And I get my Neutrogena eye makeup remover, oil free. I love this one. I've been using this one since I was a teenager. Actually, like my early 20s, I started buying this thousands of years ago. I'm 100 now. I'm just kidding. So I put like 2 or 3 little, I just kind of dip it like that, okay? And I use that to take away eyeshadow and mascara from my eye area. You see? Okay, so I removed a tiny bit and I'm going to continue doing this until I remove most of it. Obviously, it gets on the bottom of my eye and I just flip it to the other side of the cotton ball and I just swipe it. Make sure I clean out that bottom eye area, my under eye area. And I'll just continue to like dab off the mascara until it's completely off. Okay, so now that I remove most of my makeup, I'm saying most of my makeup because I feel like not everything is completely removed until I wash my face. So that's what I will do next. So after I wipe everything off my face, makeup, eyeshadow, everything, I'm gonna go wash my face. So I do that while I shower. So I'm gonna go do that right now and I'll be right back for the rest of my skincare, my nightly skincare routine. Okay, and I'm back for the rest of my skincare routine. I know I have to put my glasses back on because I'm so blind. Okay, so I just showered and I washed my face with my cleanser. I'll show you at the end. I forgot to bring it, but it's the La Roche-Posay cleanser. It's like a bottle like this, but it's a cleanser. That's what I use. Okay, so the door's open because I have Lily over there, and yeah. Okay, let's move on. After I cleanse my face, I'm gonna put on like a lip balm, or lip oil or some sort to moisturize my lips after the shower and the cleansing and everything. I didn't wash my hair because I'm not going to wash it for the next day or two. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take off my glasses now to continue. I'm going to put this vitamin C serum. This is by La Roche-Posay, and it has a lot of good stuff, I guess. I feel like I should be putting this in the refrigerator, but I don't. And it's okay, I guess. So I just put some on my skin. I'm just gonna smear this on my nose, on the top of my lips. Okay, so obviously now I just massage this serum into my skin. This is the best part. I have a lot of little mini breakouts, like little breakouts. I don't know what's going on. Could be the change of weather. I was cleaning the hell out of my place today, making sure there's a lot of dust. The air filter on my AC was disgusting. When I pulled it out, I was like, ew, it was like gunky and stuff. Gross. And it's new. It's been there for like a year. Okay. So obviously I will put some on my neck, and the way I do that is I get a little bit of serum on the palm of my hand, as much serum as you want, and rub it with both hands. And I'm just gonna go in my neck. Don't forget the neck, people. Very important. Very, very important. I'm just gonna massage it through. I swear this is like my spa moment. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this under eye cream. It's from La Roche-Posay. I know I got a lot of products from La Roche-Posay. I have my moments where like I'm like, okay, this week I'm gonna buy the moisturizer. This week I'm gonna, that, and then I end up collecting the whole thing. But this is an under eye cream. It looks like this. I don't know how to pronounce all those things. Tollerine. And I just put a little bit on the tip of my finger and place it like this under my eyes. Massage it through gently. I know I have one of my subscribers, Almita, hi. Her she has the same name as I. Shout out to Almita. But she requested a skincare for oily skin, and I will do that. Skincare before my makeup. I will do that. I will get that out there. I saw her comment and I was like, okay, you know what? I'll do the skincare, my nightly skincare, and then I'll post one of my morning before my makeup. Okay, so I make sure I put it all the way up to my temples. I don't know why I like to do that. I just do it. Okay, next I'm gonna get, I know it's a lot of layers, but I like it. I like the way, I feel like it works well together. I don't know, that's just me. The Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream by La Roche-Posay, this one right here. And I put some on my fingers, tips, or whatever, and I'm just gonna spread it out throughout my face like this and massage it into my skin. I don't know. And I also like to tap into my lids. I don't know if you could do that. That's my thing right now. Because I feel like we ignore our lids a lot. I don't know. You put eyeshadow there, right? You put concealer there. And I feel like why not moisturize a little bit on my lids, just a little tap, and that's it. Make sure I get that moisturizer all distributed throughout my face. Okay, and of course I gotta get the neck. Okay, and this is just being extra. I usually don't do this. I skip this step a lot. I'm fine with what I have. Like I said, my eyebrows barely have any, but I do use this sometimes. I have a TikTok and I put a lot of skincare on my TikTok. It's mostly skincare, but you'll see on some of my videos I use this, and I just started. As you can see, the bottle looks full. So yeah, it comes with brushes and things. This is castor oil, organic eyelash serum. That's what it says on the bottle right here. See? Okay. So I'm gonna just get the dropper, and what I did, oh shoot, I almost dropped the whole thing. Uh, what I did is I just placed a little line across my lids, like so, and I just massage it through, and it's like thick. It feels thick on my skin. I mean, it feels thick. So I just smear it on across. And there's little brushes that come so you could put it on your lashes, like those lash spoolies. And I haven't used it much. I just do it with my fingers, so much easier. Because there's like 3 or 4 spoolies that come with it, and I'm gonna run out. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna have to use my fingers. I just gently massage it through, and that's it pretty much. That completes the whole thing. And I'll go back in with my lip balm if I need to. So this one's from Trader Joe's. Supposedly it's similar to the one from Sephora, the Laneige. I had that one for a while. It's expensive, but supposedly this one kind of compares to it. This came out around Christmas on a little kit, so I'm gonna check out this year. I can't wait to see the Trader Joe's skincare that they come up with. Usually it's pretty good. I like it. Okay, so there it is. I'm super glowy now. I look oily. I look like moisturized. Ah. And I actually love it. I'll let it sit on my skin for a while. I would like sit down, watch some TikTok, play with the baby, play on the iPad with the baby, talk with the baby, whatever. But I just sit for a moment just to let everything just sink into my skin before I lay down, because it does go on your pillow. I do have some pillowcases that are kind of stained, a little bit, like you can see like oily marks on it for my face. And that's me just rushing to go to bed. Mom life, you just want to go to bed. And yeah, but I love doing this. This is my, oh my God, it's very therapeutic. It's as therapeutic as my makeup moments, like when I put my makeup on. But my skincare routine is just golden to me. It's like everything. It's my base. It's my, you're like massaging your skin. It's spa moment. It's like, it's time to relax. It's like as important as my makeup, but more important than my makeup for sure. I don't skip a day. I gotta put, my serum. I gotta put my, what serums I was using for a really long time? The Shea Moisture, the serums. They're like in a little clear bottle. Those are awesome. I mean, I love them. For a really long time, I had them, and then I ran out, and I went in for the La Roche Posay. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to this one. I've used this one before. But yes, this concludes my skincare routine for the nighttime. I know I have another video for my skincare routine, but this is the updated skincare routine for my nighttime. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you everybody for your support. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. For everybody that has been subscribing, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next video. Good night. Okay, everybody, before I end the video, I almost forgot to show you my cleanser. This was the one, the gentle foaming moisturizing wash from La Roche Posay. It's for the body and face, dry to extra dry skin. I don't mind it on my skin. It feels great. And then after that, I use my moisturizer. And yeah, I almost forgot to show you guys. But yes, this is my skin cleanser, my face cleanser, and I love it so much. Thank you. Bye.